So what's it like to work at my Amazon guy, your 6th week in?
It's awesome. It's great, thank you.
Overcoming your fears, maybe?
Yeah, I'm definitely overcoming my fears.
Is it because you're in 20-meter deep water right now in the middle of a cave?
Yeah, and that's your fault.
Wow, let's go! Here we go. I get bailed out. Francisco, ¿cómo es trabajar a my Amazon guy?
Trabajar en MAG es una experiencia gratificadora, enriquecedora y en mi caso
Te cambia profesionalmente, te cambia personalmente.
ha sido la experiencia profesional más gratificante de mi vida.
In the cave, this is a blast. Look at the nice little bridge out there. When you have 3 guys with high drive.
Get things done.
Get things done? Alright. Growth makes me happy. Being able to go out and adventure and try new things, do things that are hard. Or blowholes. Work. Happy cow, happy milk. That's why we got to take care of our employees. So what do you know about this waterfall? 105 meters tall, 300 meters wide. And it's the junction of 2 rivers. It's pretty awesome. Incredible. Walking down a train track right now. Got my life jacket just in case. You never know when that's going to come in handy. Ooh, that was a big jump. I want to say like 12, 15 meters, somewhere in there. It's hard to say. Doing crazy extreme sports like this is gross, right? We got waterfalls and cool stuff. We just jumped off there and doing things that you might think are impossible, but are very possible if you just do it. Nice. Getting out of your comfort zone. I know I'm not in my comfort zone, so I'm going. Let's go!
This is pretty awesome.
Wow, I found my match. There's so much to do here. I'm tired, but it was worth it. I'm thinking this is what life is like and what it should be. Waterfalls, extreme sports, canoes, rafting down the river, and spending time with friends.